Good morning and welcome. So this is a little demonstration of this application that I have for analytics. So I don't necessarily say it's for any particular business need. The HR could use it. It could be used by finance, by marketing, by various departments. But I'm just doing a little demo of the HR analytics piece within the application. Now, what you see over here is something quite common. So there will be a particular application. It's hosted on the web. It's on an EC2 server. That's the Amazon EC2 server which is there. And let me show you where exactly is it hosted. Here it is on my console, and it can be accessed from absolutely anywhere. It's on the internet. And what usually happens is we've got some files saved on our desktop, so we want to go ahead and see as to how we can analyze that file, what analysis we can do on that file, go and create certain plots and things to that effect. The file size usually we'll have certain challenges because very large files or what is nowadays fashionably called big data, which is not, so I wouldn't use that term. But such files, it is slightly difficult to analyze such large amounts of data. But presume we were to do that, like if you would see here, I have got 26,163 records in this particular file. So if I were to, and I've chunked it together in tens, if I were to go ahead and chunk it together in 20s, then I would be able to probably see more records on a particular page. Yes, I can see 20 records on a particular page, and I have got 1,309 such pages and total of 26,163 records. So what exactly is there? Year effective, which could be say salary hike or date of joining or something, a particular department for an organization, the sub company or the company name, the employee name, various things which are there. Now, how do you want to see some of these things plotted? So let's say I would want to see them plotted over a time series. So the time series, the time starts in 1980 and it goes on till say 2015. And what is this basically showing me? This is showing me that yes, initially there were a lot of discrepancies in the salary, or the salaries were, the spread was very high, and then over a period of time there is some consolidation which has happened and the salaries have got kind of consolidated around a certain figure, and then of course over a period of time the salaries for this particular organization have been increasing. Now this is not very okay. It is okay. You can get us some kind of an insight into this, but this is not very intelligent. I would like to have this reactive. I would like to have this interactive. So let's see if that is possible. Again, here is a density plot. I can zoom in into this, but I can't necessarily interact with it beyond a certain. No, I can't interact with it. I can't do that. So we would want it interactive. Fine. So let's see. Okay, I'm having a challenge for it. Fine. So anyway, so this is one demonstration of as to how this can be done. Another way of looking at this could be that this is still a static template. What if you wanted to share this with people in your organization? You as the stakeholder wanted to share this with other people in the organization. You could, of course, you could download the plots. You could get them down, say PDF or absolutely any other format. Those are the formats that we are offering: PDF, JPEG, PNG files, and the formats that you can upload are data input formats and output formats. Both are the Excel workbooks, the comma separated files, the tab separated files, and the JSON files, etc. So okay, fine, but what if you wanted to publish this regularly and you wanted to change this template? Then and this is based on R, so R does not necessarily allow that, unless of course a person is proficient in coding in say Shiny or R. As an end user, it is slightly difficult to do that. So what comes to our rescue? Python comes to our rescue. So Python comes to our rescue in many ways. Okay, so here is what I have going on in Python. It's a basic blog template. It's a blog template. It is the most basic template which is available in Django. I hope I pronounced that correctly. So what exactly is this blog template? Let's say I want to create a new one. So okay, I go to this plus sign up here. I say create a new post. The new post is chart for sales chart 1, location 1, year 2016. Okay, and the same thing, let's say I go ahead and just to save time I put it down here and I say save. That's done. What do I see down here? So here is a template which was already saved in the application. So it is similar to what is happening here, but that because of some reason I am not getting the interactive ones right now. I'll probably fix this. I'm not sure what exactly is happening. I'll have to look into that. So over here you see these plots are interactive. So presume that sales have happened over a period of time, and this is anyway just a demonstrative chart. So it is not necessarily that the dates or the year or anything else would be correct over here. So now if you go and see, have a look at this. This is interactive. This is in my browser. It's in Firefox, and I've just created this in front of you. If I want to edit it, I get a small edit button over here. I can further edit it. I say, okay, no, this is not year 2016. This is year 2015. Okay, I'm absolutely fine with that. Let's say it's year 2015 and location 1. No, we want location 2. Okay, done. You go ahead and save this, and there you have it. It's got updated, and this is a HTML template. This is HTML template, and then there are these demonstrated lines of text which can get hard coded within the page template. So there's various things that you can go ahead and hard code over there. And this chart is interactive. I can go ahead and browse different variables in the time series format. This is much more intelligent than what I could see earlier. I can zoom in, I can zoom out. It's very flexible. Okay, so this is one. Let's now try and create one more. So here's one more template that we can utilize, and let's create one separate post altogether, a new post. Or let me go back and show you as to how many posts I already have here. So it's extremely simple. I can just go back to my main page. I can scroll down. I can see I have so many posts over here. All of these posts were created earlier. Okay, this is the one which I created recently. Let me go and edit this. Or let me create a new one, not edit this. And I say post 2, chart 2. Location 3, so whatever it is, quickly just go and create that. And here I have chosen a different template. So this is a different template altogether. So it says Mumbai, Delhi, India, overall, Bangalore, some KPI scores are there. You see down here it highlights Q1, then Q1 16, Q1 15, Q2 15, Q2 16. So some kind of time series is again here. Again, this is just demonstrative. And we just created this. So absolutely anybody within your organization who has access to a browser, and let's say I go here, I open a different browser altogether, and I just have to put this in, and I get to see that particular chart. And this works exactly in the similar manner on the internet also. And how do I test it on the internet? I test it on this particular site, which is Python Anywhere. So my web app is already live over here. I can go and check that out. But right now I was making some changes, so I think I'll just hold on to that. And coming back to this. So this is how easy it is. You go ahead, you choose a template, you create a little post around that template, and you can share that, or absolutely you can just share this URL, or those URLs can be embedded into other web pages. That's how simple it is with Python and Django. Okay, now let's look at one more template. The other template that we can look at is this one. Now, as seen over here, this is again a time series. So mostly I picked up most time series because that is what most business leaders want to see as to what is happening over a period of time. So let's say time series 1, location 1. And we have created a new one which says time series 1, location 1. And again, this is, and it's just because we've got 2 of these over here. Otherwise you can plot more than 2 series also at one given point in time. And of course it is interactive. It is much better than a normal plot, and it is in your browser. Again, just like we saw earlier, we go over here, we change this, and we click on it, and it is live, and it says time series 1, time series location 1, and the same plot can be seen by absolutely anybody else in real time. So this is how quickly it gets updated. So this is again one template. So these are various templates which can be used, and there is a facility to edit that particular post which you have created in real time, or you can go create a new one. All of these posts are there on your home page, which is there. And of course, because it's on my local machine, I need to do that. Otherwise you get links on. So these are all the ones that we've created right now. So you can see absolutely any one of them. We go to this, here it is, you go back, you click on this, post to chart 2, you go back, the sales one. So of course, because we've changed the template, so all of them will reflect the same template. But once we choose the different templates and we freeze them, which we've not done, it will remain as such. Okay, now here is some of this code which I have shared on my GitHub. So in case anybody is interested on the technical bit of it, you can go ahead and have a look. Thanks a lot for your time.